Do you know why the birds are flying in group for long run? Why they helping each other? Even they are not family nor friends. Only things they know that never shout out nor questions on leadership because they belongs to the group which is protecting the whole species. Now the situation of bhutni is also like a bird species community, but the difference is lack of leadership. That's why we all are going to underwater near future. The real face of Ganges water we never know.